Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to remove email from Roblox account. Firstly, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account that you want to edit. Now click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page, then select settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your current account information. Just under there, you'll see your current registered email address. Click Change Email to start the process. Roblox will ask you to enter your account password and new email address for verification. And a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your currently linked email address. Just go to your inbox, open it, and then copy the code from the email. Return to the Roblox page and pass the code into the verification field, then confirm it, and you'll see a message saying your new email is pending verification. Just go to your new email inbox and open the inbox verification email, then click on it. Once you do this, your new email will replace the old one and your Roblox account will be fully updated. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.